I think my passion really started with Mr. Zagabe, my technology teacher, because before that, I really wasn't sure what 3D printing was. I didn't know this technology. So like what many people say, all great things start small, especially my 3D printing journey. So I really started 3D printing last year during spring. And then it was actually because of technology class, where our technology teacher told us to make a small, simple model in Tinkercad. And then I noticed that we could actually bring our models to life. We can make it a physical object. So that was when I was actually hooked onto this 3D printing concept.
J'ai expérimenté toutes sortes de choses en 3D et par exemple, pour mon mémoire en physique, j'ai modélisé une expérience que après j'ai imprimée et j'ai collectionné des données.
I think my school, TFS, also played such a big role in my development in 3D printer skills because I'm really grateful that our school has decided to actually buy so many 3D printers, because usually this is a very big investment for a school, and then our school is so implicated in technology and STEM that they have really given the choice to students to bring to life whatever they really want.
Dans notre conseil de la technologie, on pensait à différentes initiatives qu'on pouvait prendre pour améliorer l'innovation à TFS. On a pensé, on peut enseigner aux plus jeunes à imprimer en 3D parce que ce n'est pas très facile à faire. C'est beaucoup plus facile si on a quelqu'un qui nous apprend et on voulait vraiment inspirer tout le monde.
The way we designed this course was actually together as a group, because many things are done together. So me, Luke, and Lincoln, along with many other members, we met together during the break a few times, and then when we came to school, we would meet every 2 weeks during a Wednesday morning just to see how progress is going. And then our goals is basically just to teach them how to bed level, how to extrude filament from the nozzle, how to start your own print. So teaching is naturally much easier in this room, and everybody's very cooperative. So that's what I really like about this experience.
Ça m'a donné plus de respect pour les enseignants parce que c'est difficile.
I think as a teacher, you also need a great voice and a lot of patience. So many times, people don't get it in the first try, which is totally normal. So as long as you have patience, everything will work out. They will eventually get it.
Suite à cette expérience avec l'impression 3D et à mes études à TFS, je suis certainement en route vers l'ingénierie. Déjà, c'est une passion pour moi. Je participe à des concours pour l'impression 3D et j'adore ça.